Videos are the most engaging form of content, and the reason is because while a video is out there, a client or a consumer can see the message you're passing across. They can hear it, they can read the captions that you put in your video, and they can also imagine the interpretation. So if the question on your mind is, should you use video to market your products or your services on all social sites? If you want to know this answer, stick tuned to this video. Let's go. Hi there, my name is Moreni Keji. You are welcome once again to Keji Talk Time. If you're new here, in our family, what we do is talk about marketing, motivations, and a little bit of lifestyle. We help business owners to grow their presence on social media, and we also do a little bit of training for those that are aspiring to be digital marketers or social media managers. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel and you love to have this kind of content, you love to watch this, click the subscribe button. And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say a huge thank you. You're the reason why I do what I do. The question is, should I use video marketing? Before you think of using video marketing, first thing is, what is video marketing? Now, video marketing is an aspect of advertisement through video. Did you get that? It's as simple as that. I know we want to follow a lot of jargons to say that video marketing is this and that, but it is simply marketing your product by using videos. Now, there are two essential things that every business person should know. As a business person, to survive in the business world, you need two major things, which is the attraction stage and the conversion stage. The only way you can keep people stick to your website or to your social site or to know about your product is by attracting them in. And after you attract them, then the model in which you turn them to convert and become a paying customer from just a visitor, this is what will make you stand out in your business. Now, this is why video marketing is so essential, because video marketing can help you to attract your audience to your channel, and it can also help you to convert your business. Now, for example, let's say you have a social site and your social site is full of content with just captions, graphics, and a lot of readings. It can be so boring when a visitor comes to your social site or to your website. When they see 1, 2, 3, or 4 posts, they might get bored and they're like, what am I even doing here? Because there are a lot of captions and there are a lot of graphics, and while they are reading, the brain is shutting down and all they want to do is sleep. Now, you want to spice your social site up, you want to spice your website up. This is why you need to introduce video marketing. So when they see a clip of 60 seconds, 2 minutes, 1 minute, explaining what you do, explaining your product, catching their attention, educating and entertaining them, this can keep a consumer stick to your channel, and from there they turn into a paying consumer. So this is the act of attraction and conversion. And if you have not been using this as a business owner, it might be hard for you to make sales. Okay, so now the next question on your mind is, how do I go into video marketing? What are the effective types of video marketing I should use? We have 4 different types of effective videos that you can use to market your product. We have 4 different types, and the first one is storytelling. Oh, storytelling, it's an amazing way of selling your product on social media. Whether you're a freelancer, whether you're a small business owner, whether you're a big corporate, story marketing is one of the best ways to get through the heart of your audience. And we can also term this with selling with emotions. Now, if you think storytelling is not a great form of marketing, have you ever wondered why people tend to fall in love with the corporate in a movie? This is because the story paints him in a good light. Have you ever wondered, have you watched the movie Lucifer? Are you pitying him and thinking, oh, maybe Lucifer is also a kind of good guy? I mean, maybe he was cheated in heaven. This is the effective use of storytelling. When you paint a story and put it in a good light, people tend to draw their emotions to it because they feel like they can relate. Now, let's say you are into fashion, and then you give us a story. You want to build your brand and grow your presence on social media. You could do a short video introducing us to how you started your journey, how you've always loved fashion and people have criticized you for it, how you stood your ground and decided you would rather go for a fashion course than run for a degree. So this would get to an audience that is also interested and that is inspired by your story. And this could also help them to, become a buying consumer. In that way, you're selling with emotion. So storytelling is a great effective use of video marketing. You can do a storytelling video introducing the hurdles that you faced while your business is growing, introducing how you got to where you are, saying stories about how how you buy your product, how the challenges you face, the staffs that you recruited into your brand. Storytelling, it's an amazing way of video marketing. So the first effective videos that you can ever think of using is to tell a story. Another form and effective way of video marketing is information video, and this is very, very good and essential for people that run services. We'll talk about the freelancers, the graphic designers, those that are selling services. Like, for example, me, I'm a digital marketer, and this is me giving you guys information on what is good for your business and what is not. So you can give information about your business, you can tell people what your business is all about, you can tell people about the ingredients you use in your business, you can tell people the usefulness and what is going to happen if they are not going to use your product, right? So you can give information, you can even give informations that are sometimes not related to your brand, just to keep the people engaged. And this kind of video helps you to retain engagement on your channel. People know that you have the best information out there, and they will also be delighted to buy whatever services you're offering, because they are very sure you know what you're doing. Because if you're a carrier of information, it means that you understand what you're doing. Okay, so the third effective video marketing that you might want to think about to use in your social site or in your website is demonstrational videos. And honestly, if you've not been using this as a business owner, you're missing out on the trend, because this is one of the best way to connect to your audience. Now, let's say you're into beauty and makeovers, and your consumers are buying your product, but they don't even know how to use them. They want to use them like the professionals, but they don't have an idea. Now, this is where you come in as a business owner to make a video, a short video, explaining how you do things. Now, some business owners confuse demonstrational videos and informational videos, and they think it is one. No, they are different. Informational videos is you giving out information, while demonstrational videos is you showing how to do things. For example, we have some tricks and tips. For example, on my Instagram page, I give a lot of tips like how to download this, how to make a short reels, how to do this, how to do that. So it makes it very easy for your consumers to relate with you, because they know anything they get from you, they have the ultimate guide on how to use it properly. So demonstrational video, it's an effective type of video marketing. When they know how to use a thing and they use it properly, trust me, they are coming back to buy from you. Now we go to the last form, which is the fourth type effective video marketing you can use for your social site and your website, and this is testimonial, guys. Testimonials are a great way, even dropping screenshots of testimonies, of reviews from your past clients. It's an amazing way to push your business forward. But imagine you have a video of a consumer actually giving a testimony of how your product has worked for them, of how your service has helped them. Trust me, this is going to prompt other buyers to come to your channel. So when you're using testimonial videos on your social site or on your website, for example, you have a website and you have about 2 consumers giving reviews about your product, telling them how you helped them with the services, telling them how your customer services, trust me, that visitor on your site would not leave without wanting to buy something from you. So when you have a testimonial from a client or a consumer, it helps your business marketing to grow. So this is an essential form of video marketing. So we have the 4 effective type. I hope you remembered, or you jotted it down, or you wrote it down somewhere. The first one is a storytelling kind of video. The second one is informational video. The third one is a demonstrational video, and the fourth one is a testimonial video. Now the question on your mind from the beginning is, should I use video marketing on my social site? I think you know the answer. The answer is yes. Whether you're a freelancer, whether you're a business owner, whether you're a small business owner, whether you're thinking of growing your own personal brand, video marketing is very essential. And let me give you this note, guys. Studies have shown that people tend to retain information on video 60 times faster than when they read text, because reading text is an essential way of sleeping. So when you have too much text on your channel, expect that people will get bored. So you need to have videos that can entertain and educate at the same time. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you love this content. If you have not subscribed, please also kindly share my video, and you know how we do it, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.